Most advice about saving money starts with your coffee. Skip the latte, they say, and watch your savings grow. But that advice barely moves the needle. Real savings come from a few big targets, not 100 tiny sacrifices. No hype, no shame, just systems. Today, we break down how to actually save money fast. Welcome to Wealth Decoded, where we break down money so anyone, anywhere, can build real wealth. Today, saving money fast, the smart way. Here's the thing, you can't fix a leak you can't see. So the first step is simple, track your spending for a short stretch, just to see where it's actually going. Almost everyone is surprised. This isn't about guilt, it's about clarity. Once you can see your spending honestly, you know exactly where to act. And here's the part most advice misses. Almost everywhere, 3 categories dominate the budget: housing, transportation, and food. Depending on where you live, those 3 alone can eat up anywhere from half to 2/3 of everything you spend, which means a small 5 to 10% improvement in just one of them can beat a year of cutting small treats. Negotiate, downsize, optimize the big costs. That's where the real money is. Next, hunt down the silent drains. Subscriptions and recurring charges you forgot you even had. Streaming, apps, memberships, auto-renewals. A lot of people are quietly paying for the same thing twice. 2 streaming platforms, duplicate cloud storage, overlapping fitness apps. Go through your statements and cancel what you don't actually use. It adds up more than you'd think, and canceling it is instant, painless savings. So how do you stop the money you just freed up from quietly finding a new way out? Here's the shift. You don't rely on willpower, you add friction. Remove saved card details from your shopping apps. Unsubscribe from the promotional emails. Give yourself a waiting period, 24 hours or more, before any non-essential purchase. Most impulse urges fade with a little time. Something as simple as deleting a saved card can meaningfully cut impulse spending without touching your income or your willpower. You're not depriving yourself. You're just skipping the purchases you didn't really want anyway. Finally, capture what you free up before you can spend it. The moment your income arrives, move a set amount into savings automatically. Pay yourself first. Automate even a modest slice, 5 or 10%. And most people find that after a few months, daily life feels exactly the same. But the savings account doesn't. If the money never sits in your spending account, you never miss it. Automation turns a one-time decision into permanent, effortless saving. Saving money fast was never about misery or 100 tiny sacrifices. It's about clarity, seeing where your money actually goes. It's about the big 3, fixing the costs that really move the needle. It's about closing the silent leaks, the subscriptions and small charges nobody notices. And it's about automation, making the saving happen before you even get the chance to spend it. Do these, and you'll free up more money in a month than years of skipped coffees ever could. If this helped, subscribe to Wealth Decoded. Every week, we break down one money concept that can change how you build your future. Next week, the budgeting method, where every dollar gets a job. Zero-based budgeting. See you then.